Good morning class 6. This is your GK class. Today in this video we are going to study chapter 39 in your GK book. So students, now open page number 56 in your GK book. Now see on the top of the page there is chapter 39. Chapter 39 is about the topic little stars. So students, let's start read. Nowadays kids are so multi-talented that they have excelled not only in academics and sports but also in television and cinema. So nowadays kids are so multi-talented and they have excelled not only in academics and sports but also they show their expertness in television and cinema. Let's take a look at a few of these little wonders. Let's take a look at a few of these little wonders. दरअसल सफारी as ईसन अवस्थी in तारे जमीन पर. Okay? दरअसल सफारी as ईसन अवस्थी in तारे जमीन पर. दरअसल सफारी is the child artist and he plays the role of ईसन अवस्थी in the movie तारे जमीन पर. Davy Ryan as Jessie Prescott in Jessie. Davy Ryan is the child artist and she plays the role of Jessie Prescott in Jessie. Nathan Kress as Freddie Benson in iCarly. Nathan Kress is the child artist and he plays the role of Freddie Benson in iCarly. Binaf Dada Chandji as Sasha in Hello. Binaf Dada Chandji is the child artist and plays the role of Sasha in the movie Hello. Irfan Khan as Fatka in Chiller Party. Okay? Irfan Khan is the child artist and plays the role of Fatka in the movie Chiller Party. Partho Gupta as Stanley Ka Dabba. Partho Gupta is a child artist and plays the role of Stanley Ka Dabba. And the movie name is also same. Shreya Sharma as Vinia in Blue Umbrella. Shreya Sharma is the child artist and plays the role of Vinia in the movie Blue Umbrella. Neil Sethi as Mowgli in the Jungle Book. Neil Sethi is the child artist who plays the role of Mowgli in the movie The Jungle Book. Harshali Malhotra as Munni in Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Harshali Malhotra is a child artist who plays the role of Munni in the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan. So students, you have to study about these child artists and their roles properly.